Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a foundation wear test. The foundation I'm testing out is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I got a deluxe sample of this and I have never tried this one before. It's not the illumination one, it's just the regular one. So I thought that I would test it out and see how it wears throughout the day since I have never used it before. I know it is a pretty popular foundation. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see how this foundation applies and wears throughout the day, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I am testing out the IT Your Skin But Better CC Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. I have the shade Light. I just have this little deluxe sample. I've never tried this, so I was like, why not do a wear test? I've never done it before. I've never used this before. I know it's pretty popular. This is not the illumination ones, so which I have tried before. The IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. This retails for $38 for a full size. It comes with 1.08 ounces of product, which is a little more than normal. I have the shade Light, which they say light is light skin with warm yellow undertone. It looks like it'll be fine. This comes in 12 shades, which is not that many. So it says it gives you full, flawless, perfect coverage, protects your skin. Clinically shown to give you 179% of skin hydration, smooth skin texture, and enhanced skin brightness. It says it never creases, cracks, and instantly camouflages skin imperfections, including dark spots. It is infused with anti-aging serum made of hydrolyzed collagen, peptides, vitamins, antioxidants. They diffuse the look of wrinkles, minimize pores, give you a more radiant, supple, and flawless look. Okay, there's like a ton. It is the #1 best-selling formula. So to prime today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Spray and the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So I spray my face first. I have combo skin and I do have acne, as you can see. Now this primer is more hydrating. I'm interested to see if this foundation actually blurs my pores because I have some pretty bad pores right here. So that is why I'm not using a pore filling primer. I'm going to go in and do one half of my face with a brush and the other half with a sponge. So I'm going to start with the brush side. Okay, so going in with a brush first, I'm just going to buff this out. The fragrance in this reminds me of cleaning, like Lysol or something. Not Lysol, it's like orange zest. Okay, so I'm not seeing full coverage. I can see pretty much everything through it. I'd more say it's medium coverage. Blending out fine with a brush. I definitely don't see how this is full coverage though. I mean, you can see everything, this spot. You can see it's looking better on camera. How I usually apply foundation is I almost always go in with a brush, blend it out because a brush is so much quicker, and then go over it with a sponge to get the finish that I want. So this is, let me zoom you in. This is what one layer is looking like. That hurts so bad. Please ignore that. It looks pretty. It's not masking the texture on my forehead, but it's also not like making it worse. Okay, so I will scoot you guys back out. And I'm gonna go on this other side with my Morphe sponge. My pores look more filled and I'm getting fuller coverage on the brush side. So I definitely think this is going to be a brush foundation for me. And then just going over it with my sponge to get the finish that I want. You can see this looks way more full coverage, and over here it looks like light coverage. It basically just kind of evened my skin tone, but didn't. Let's see if I can build this up at all. So I definitely think that a brush is a way to go with this. My pores look more minimized over here. It still looks like more full coverage on the brush side than it does with this second layer on this side. But I'm going to go over and just go over everywhere. Try to even it out a little bit. So it is 10:42 a.m. right now. Just got done putting on the foundation. So I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay guys, so it is 11:11. I got done putting on the foundation around 10:40, so we will call that the check-in time. This is what the foundation looks like right now. This is my makeup all done. I will bring you guys in closer in a minute and dim the light so you can really see. My forehead is having a rough time. It looks awful on my forehead. Like, it says it doesn't emphasize texture. No, it emphasized the crap out of my texture on my forehead. Right here especially looks awful. I still think you can see my pores quite a bit, and I already have a little bit of creasing right here on my chin and right here on my mouth, which, I mean, I just put on the foundation, so I don't think it should be looking like this already. So far, right off the bat, I am not impressed. I am not liking it that much right now. Maybe it is going to be one of those foundations that warms up to your skin and throughout the day it starts to look better. I'm not really sure. We will see at the end of the day, but I will see you guys in a couple hours for my first check-in. So this foundation has been on for almost 5 hours. I don't know if I'm going to do an 8 or 10 hour wear test. We'll see how long I make it. I'm going to scooch you guys in and show you what my skin is looking like. Let me dim these lights. Okay, so this is what my skin is looking like. If you can see, my forehead looks better than it looked this morning when I put the foundation on. It just still looks really textured right here, where normally I don't get the texture. It doesn't look as textured, but I do have my lines, some foundation settling in my lines up here. I just have a ton of texture right here that I normally don't have. I don't know if that's my skin like purging, or let me scooch you guys back. Scooch you back out. I don't know if it's my skin like purging right now and that's why it looks so bad. On the rest of my face it looks okay. It has rubbed off right here on that blemish that will not go away. My pores don't look awful right now. They don't look great, but they don't look awful. I don't look oily at all. But my skin is kind of all over the place still. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't look like I need to powder. I think it still looks really nice, minus my forehead just looks so bad. And then my chin also right here in this line that I have. It's looking a little cakey right here and a little cakey around my nose. But other than that, I think it looks really good. I will see you guys in a couple of hours for the last check-in. Okay guys, so it is almost 5:40, so this foundation has been on for 7 hours. I was going to try to leave it on for longer, but I just feel like my skin is so gross right now. I don't know if this foundation, oh my gosh, I ripped my nails off, ignore that. I don't know if this foundation is making me break out, or I just feel like I need to take it off and put a face mask on. My skin looks really weird today. My forehead just right here looks so awful. Just my whole forehead looks really, really bad. My cheeks look, well, it looks like all right here is rubbed off. Over here looks okay. All my makeup is still on pretty well. I don't look oily or anything, so that is good. Right here looks more cakey. Right here looks super cakey as well. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over my forehead. It seriously looks like I just have all these tiny little bumps all over. So I have to take it off. I can't leave it on any longer. Those are my thoughts on this foundation. Maybe when I get my skin under control in a couple weeks. I don't know if it's going through like a purge or something. My skin has been acting weird. Maybe I can try it again in a couple weeks in an upcoming video and try it again and kind of see how I like it then. Maybe with a couple different primers or different concealer, just work it with a couple different products and see if I like it better that way. I will update you guys in a future video about this, but for now, I need to go take this off and go put a face mask on. Okay guys, so those were all of my thoughts on this foundation. Let me know if you have tried this foundation and what you think about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.